Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So let's have a how about those for you apples? Let's have a look at man, I can't talk this morning. I just finished an awesome coaching session with my clients. So private coaching clients, rock it out. Really proud of them. Anyway, so today, in the past few videos of my silver and gold videos, I've actually talked about breakouts and false breakouts and why silver and gold may be causing a false breakout right now. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's session. But before I start, guys, very first link in the description below, click on that to get access to a free trial to the Master Trader Lab. And you can get access to all these different trading courses and you can try it all out for free today. Very first link in the description, go click on that there right now. Now, a false breakout, I talked about this in yesterday's video. Let me actually bring up this screen through here because a false breakout, this is actually drawing from my private coaching call with my coaching clients. Let me see if I can just delete all that off the screen. All right, so let me share with you. Let me just go new, and let me do this here. So I want to talk to you about what false breakouts look like and why silver and gold may be causing a false breakout. All right, so if we have a bit of a sideways range for a while, okay, and what do we have through here? We have what? We have resistance and we have support. Make sense? So we have that there. And let's say the market actually bounces up a little bit through here. Okay, so say the market actually bounces up a little bit through here. And then the market actually then breaks back down. Okay, so it breaks back down. So now it's actually a breakout. The question is it going to be a false breakout or is it not? No one knows, right? But what can happen is it just goes sideways. That's the first indication that it's going to be what? A false breakout. Now, there's other two things that happens here. One, if we rally back up, hit the resistance, and then we start to head back down, breaking past previous lows, right? This low point through here, previous lows, then that's now, okay, now it's a confirmed breakout and we're now likely to continue down. Makes sense? But let's go back. There we go. All right, cool. So, but if it goes sideways and then it breaks back above this level through here, now it's a false breakout and now we're likely to run back into the top of the channel. Makes sense? So two types of things happen if we actually go back to the actual gold chart. Let me go back in time to share with you exactly where that happened. All right, let's look at this here, right? We had this ultimate resistance up here. And then what do we have down here? We had the ultimate support, didn't we? We had a breakout. Right, we had a breakout. It did what? Just went sideways. It was like, oh, this may be a false breakout. Hang on a minute, this may be a false breakout now. Not yet, right? Not yet. We need to see what? We need to see a close back above here, don't we? No false breakout yet. Is it a false breakout? No false breakout yet. And then what? Boom, down we go. There we go, right? So we had all these small bars and then a down bar. Now, with the small bars and the down bar, what does that now tell us? That now tells us that it's not a false breakout and we're now likely to what? Spend some time to the downside, just like I did. Okay? But what are we getting right now? We're getting this whole resistance up through here. As you can see, this whole resistance level through here, this whole support. Now this whole resistance level through here, is it going to be a false breakout? And it's going to continue. If it does break, then we're likely to run baback up towards these highs up here. Or if we don't do that and we start to break down, then we're probably going to start to come down towards these levels through here around the 1200 level, maybe a bit higher as well too. So that's what I'm talking about there, guys, when it comes to the gold chart and any chart really. When you're looking at the markets, this is how you determine whether a false breakout is true or if it is a false breakout or if it's not a false breakout and what's likely to happen. So the question for you guys is this going to be a false breakout and we're going to run back up, and if we close back above here, we're likely to continue up? Or is it going to go back down just like I did last year and now we have a big down movement? So really interesting there, guys. Before you go, guys, make sure you click on the very first link in the description below to get access to all the Grab the Markets by the Balls, the Foundation, Chart Reading, Advanced Chart Reading, and the Millionaire Mindset course. All these courses, get free access to test all of that for free. Very first link in the description. Go get that right now. See you guys.